In this video, we'll be looking at how to use the if function to create a gradebook. So one of the first thing you want to do is we have identified our grade scheme, which we have here. We have the numeric grades 90, 80, 70, 60, and 50. And we want to determine letter grades for each of these 90 and above A, and also 80 and above would be a B, 70 and above would be a C, 60 and above would be a D, and 50 and below would be an F. So once we have determined that, we can go ahead and put in our formula. So we're going to enter a formula here. We're going to have the equal sign first, followed by if. We're going to put in our criteria here. So we're going to take it from the first numeric grade we have there, which is in a cell A2. So if A2 is greater than or equal to the value that we have there is 90, and notice you're seeing here for the if function, if logical test, value true, value false. So we're going to follow that same procedure. So if A2 is greater than or equal to 90, comma, then we're going to have in brackets here an A. Otherwise, comma, we're going to have another if function. So we're going to have if once again, and we're going to have the same test, A2 greater than equal to this time 80, comma, then we'll put a B, and otherwise we'll actually have to check again. So if I'm going to do another check, A2 is greater than or equal to 70, then we're going to give a C. Otherwise, we're going to do another check to see if A2 is greater than or equal to 60. Then we're going to give a D. So we have A, B, C, D, good. Otherwise, if not, we will simply give an F. So we'll put F for letter grade. And I think we can close our brackets. For every if that we use here, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to have a corresponding, not just open brackets, but close brackets. So for every open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, we will have a corresponding. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And Excel also gives you some help, a clue here with a color-coded bracket, so you know if you're missing one that doesn't match here. So we can go ahead and press our enter key. You notice you have your letter grade A, and if we should copy this formula down using the fill handle, and you can watch some of my other videos that will show you how to use this, you will see now that you have all your letters in based on the corresponding numeric values A, B, C, D, and F. I hope this video helped you. So if it did, please click on the like button and make a comment. And please don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend. Thank you for watching.